to Make Easy. Today I'll show you how to reinitialize a Git in a folder and how to set a new remote URL. So now we can see that if you see Git status, so I already initialized Git and also I set in one remote URL. So now I want to change that, right? So there is a couple of ways that the easy method that is, so you just delete a .git folder. Like if you see it's having a .git folder, right? So we can remove it. So like remove .git. So I was deleted it. So like I can see, you can type just git status, it won't give anything. So now you go to GitHub, you just create your own repository. So once you've done that, now you just initialize it again. So like git init initialize, we are initializing now, and check status, yes. Then we need to commit our changes. First we need to add our changes and git commit. So this is the first commit, yes. Now we need to set a remote URL. So just take copy of this one, otherwise this is a command like git remote add origin on the repository URL, that's it. Now git push -u origin master. Yes, that's it. You just refresh this repository page. That's it. You can see now we already got this one. All the changes are came. That's it. And this is how you can reinitialize and you can set a new remote URL. Thank you guys and thanks for watching. Hope you like the video and please subscribe to Make Easy.